Trying to grow your social media presence can feel like a never-ending popularity contest, and it's even harder when you don't have the time to promote your content because you've got to move on to the next deliverable. If only there was an AI-powered platform that could turn your existing content into social media posts and automatically schedule them for you. So today, I will discuss about one such software that will convert your existing content into social media posts. So let's begin! The software I will discuss today is Missinglettr. Missinglettr is a social marketing platform that turns your content into engaging social media posts and helps you schedule them with AI. Features: automatically grow your brand with each piece of content you publish. Turn your content into social media posts and schedule them within the platform. Organize all your social media posts on one easy-to-edit calendar. Automatically get a list of hand-curated content for your social media posts. Stay on top of social media campaign results and track the performance of your posts, and more. Price: they have 5 additional plans: free, 1 workspace, 1 social profile, and 50 scheduled posts for free. Solo, 1 workspace, 3 social profiles, 500 scheduled posts, and 1 extra user for $9 per month billed monthly, and $7 per month billed annually. Pro, 3 workspaces, 9 social profiles, 3,000 scheduled posts, unlimited extra users, and 10 curate posts per month for $39 per month billed monthly, and $32 per month billed annually. Agency, invite your clients to collaborate and review their social performance within a white-labeled interface. Prices starting from $147 per month. And Enterprise, with increased capacity, support, and customizable features. Find out how our enterprise plans can help deliver increased results for your content and social media marketing strategies. This is a custom plan, so you should contact them for this plan. But they have 3 lifetime deals. Single, 3 workspaces, 9 social profiles, and 3,000 scheduled posts for $49 instead of $468. Double, 6 workspaces, 25 social profiles, and 6,000 scheduled posts for $98 instead of $936. And multiple, unlimited workspaces, 50 social profiles, 10,000 scheduled posts, custom domain and branding, client dashboard, and branded reports for $147 instead of $1,764. Features included in all plans: unlimited extra users, 10 curated posts per month, drip campaigns including YouTube and Wistia, shared curated content, full access to curate, share and promote, stock image library, quote bubble and branding customization, direct post scheduling, video posts, custom fonts, custom drip campaign post templates, advanced analytics, multiple content sources, automatic repost to Medium. Customer review. You will be amazed if you see their reviews. They have 113 reviews on the Appsumo. G2 has 29 reviews. Product Hunt has 92 reviews. And on Capterra, there are 270 reviews. So, take advantage of this opportunity to save time and increase productivity. Check the link in the description for a lifetime deal and an extra 10% discount today. Remember to comment if you need a review of any software. Oh wait! If you need a video editor, audio engineer, or YouTube manager, feel free to contact us. See you in the following video. Thank you.